Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make instant glow face masks with pure organic powders. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So for this instant glow face mask, you will need neem powder, which helps in treating skin rashes, irritation, dark spots, blemishes, redness, acne, sunburn, and it evens out the skin tone. You need turmeric powder, which brightens the face, fades dark spots, blemishes, scars, acne, and it also glows the skin. You need arrowroot powder, which helps in absorbing excess oils on the skin. It moisturizes and smoothens the skin. It also fades hyperpigmentation and blemishes. You need camwood powder, which helps in fading blemishes, acne, sunburn, wrinkles. It glows, lightens, and even out the skin tone. You need sandalwood powder, which helps in treating acne, sunburn, blemishes, wrinkles, and it lightens the skin. You need honey, which helps in fading dark spots, acne, scars, wrinkles, and it glows the skin. Lastly, you will need fresh lemon juice, which helps in fading acne, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and it lightens the skin. So firstly, in a clean bowl, I'm putting 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder, Next, I'm putting 2.5 teaspoons of neem powder, after which I'm putting 1.5 teaspoons of sandalwood powder, then I'm putting 2.5 teaspoons of camwood powder, after which I'm putting 2 teaspoons of arrowroot powder, then I'll mix all the powders. I'm now putting 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, lastly I'm putting 3 teaspoons of honey, then I'll properly mix. Guys, if you have pimple, you can add half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to this mix. This face mask lightens the face, it fades sunburn, acne, it smoothens and glows the face. And when I say glow, I mean instant glow. Not even in 2 or 3 days time. As you are washing off the mask, you are seeing the glow. It is very effective. You really should try it out. It is best to be used at night. You simply apply it with your hands or your clean foundation brush and you wash it off after 30 minutes. It works perfectly on all skin types. If you have a sensitive skin, don't scrub your face while washing the mask off, and don't add apple cider vinegar so you don't get reactions. You can store this mask in a fridge for about 2 days, okay? This is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.